heart disease, cancer, stroke, and diabetes are the major killer diseases claiming billions of lives worldwide. At magpahanggang ngayon, wala pa ring nakikitang lunas para sa mga sakit na ito. Pero samantalang wala pang natatagpo ang lunas, maaari namang ito ay maiwasan at maprotektahan ang iyong sariling buhay pati na ang inyong mga mahal sa buhay.
Ang free radicals ay nagkakalat sa ating environment sa labas mula sa reactions ng chemicals, from the pollutants to the synthetic things that we are exposed to at maging sa ating mga kinakain which are classified as junk foods.
When free radicals overcome our body's ability to neutralize them, they attack the body itself. Sinisira nito ang cellular DNA ng ating mga katawan. And cells with damaged DNA are prone to developing cancer at iba pang nakamamatay na sakit. Pinahihina rin ng mga free radicals na ito ang ating immune system. At ang tanging panlaban o proteksyon ng ating katawan sa mga free radicals na ito ay ang tinatawag na antioxidants. And the best sources of antioxidants are fruits and vegetables. Ang purong katas ng prutas, gulay at buto na makakatulong upang mapalakas ang ating katawan ay nasa Exceed Antioxidant Juice. Mayroong 11 different plants and fruit seeds ang Exceed to give you 5 different colors of health benefits. Produkto ito ng G-Fox International, one of the fastest growing network marketing companies in the Philippines.
Other antioxidant juice in the market, sometimes they only have 1 fruit or 2 fruits. And sometimes they don't understand the most nutritious part of the fruits. It's not on the meat, it's inside the seed. The formula and the most important ingredient is the seed. But the problem is if you eat the seed, you should know that your body cannot digest the seed, so you also flush out as a seed. So we need a technology. That's why Exceed also use a very unique pattern technology called NAPTEC in Taiwan, that we make sure that the seed has been blended, cracked down, so the nutrients inside can be released. Taking Exceed, besides it give you all the antioxidant your body need, we also have 5 to 6 different kind of colors of fruits and veggies to make sure that your daily need of nutrients was being given to the body.
The Exceed Antioxidant Juice is fast becoming the new superhero of the health food movement. It is for the entire family. Ang pag-inom nito ay madali lang. Just fill the bottle with water. Aluging mabuti. Remove the bottle cap at punuin ito ng Exceed Juice. Drink from the bottle cap. 30 minutes before meal followed by 1 glass of water.
Ang DNA ng seed na ito is what can make us healthy as well. Kung ito ay ating kakainin, ito ay isasama natin sa ating mga suplemento, then it can become the seed of our own health. Ang DNA repair is the most important part ng seed.
Malaki naman ang naitulong kay Cherry ng pag-inom ng Exceed Juice. Bago raw kasi niya na-discover ang husay nito, pinahihirapan siya ng kanyang asthma.
Ang problema ko kasi asthmatic ako. Madalas konting sipon lang, nahahawa ako agad, and then kapag talagang sobra yung sipon, natutuloy siya ng hika. So yun ang naano ako sa Exceed kasi sabi ko baka makatulong din siya. Yun nga, in just 2 years, wala akong sa hika. Hindi ako inatake ng hika.
Bihira naman na raw magkasakit si Michael mula nang uminom siya ng Exceed. Mas malakas rin ang kanyang katawan. January ng taong ito lang, nasubok raw niyang talaga ang husay ng Exceed nang maospital ang kanyang anak dahil sa dengue.
Pinost ko yun sa Facebook, naghahanap na ako ng Exceed. Wala na kasi kaming stocks noon. Sabi kong ganun, kung sino yung makakapagpadala na sa ospital, yun na. And ang daming nag-PM sa akin, try this, ganito, ganyan. Kaya lang, sobrang kumpiyansa ko sa Exceed. Talagang sabi ko, hindi, itatry natin to. And true enough, pababa na talaga yung platelet ng anak ko. Pinainom ko siya noon. So the following day, kinuhanan siya ng dugo. Yun, darasan na lang talaga nga kami na mag-work siya. And true enough, pagpasok ng doktora nung 9:30 in the morning, in-announce siya na back to 257 na yung platelets ng anak ko. That is way high than the normal. And just the following day, that's Sunday, pinalabas na rin kami agad sa hospital.